Hello everyone and welcome guys to this video. Today guys I will show you how to transfer money from C3 card to bank account. So guys, let's get started. First guys, look for download the app. Download the app from App Store or Play Store. Click and install and download app. Log in your account guys. This is the first step you can do. After that guys, go to your account and so look for send money option. As you can see here guys, this is the first transfer, free. It's free without any fees. After that guys, look for add beneficiary account. You can change country from here if you want, and bank transfer and cash pickup available. After that guys, look for send money. Write your balance from here to send money, for example 1 IED, and click instant bank transfer and write your all information from here and add beneficiary bank. And then guys, complete the steps to transfer your money and just click send now with this option. This is how you can do guys. I hope this video helpful for you. Then don't forget give like and give share this video for more content, and see you on another video soon. Any question guys down below in the comment and I will answer your question as soon as possible. So guys, the first step, send money, then click send now and write your amount from here and complete the steps to transfer. And this is the first one more transfer. You can get one free transfer without any fees. Thanks guys for watching this video. See you on another video soon. Keep watching. For any question down below in the comment and I will answer your question.